In this video, we'll show you how to install Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate. Welcome back. I'm Eric with Rockford Fosgate, and today we're going to show you how to install our new Stage 1 and Stage 2 fairing speaker kit on a 2024 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. Please note, to experience the full performance of your new speakers, you'll need to install the required primary audio amplifier kit, part number 76001294, covered in a separate installation video. During the installation process, we'll refer you to the product iSheets and the Harley-Davidson Service and Repair Manual. We include a paper copy of the product iSheet with your speaker kit. If you do not have a service manual, it can be purchased through your local Harley-Davidson dealership and available to be ordered online at harleydavidson.com. To help guide you through this installation, we'll see these icons appear in the lower part of the screen. The first icon will refer to the Harley-Davidson Service and Repair Manual for your make and model. The second icon is for your product iSheet, illustrating the detailed installation process and the tools needed. Now, to get started, we want to remove the main fuse to prevent the motorcycle from accidentally starting. First, make sure to disable the security system on motorcycles that are equipped. We'll remove the clutch side saddlebag and service cover to access and remove the main fuse. Before you can remove the front speaker grills and speakers, we need to lower the handlebars. To get started, we'll cover the gas tank and remove the center storage compartment. Then, we'll use masking tape and a Sharpie to mark a line from the bars onto the clamp for realignment. Use a 1/4 inch ball Allen to loosen 2 bolts on the clamp and rotate your bars down far enough to give you clearance. Now that that's done, we're ready to remove the existing speakers and grills. Start by using a T25 to remove the screw in the lower corner of the speaker grill. Then, using a plastic pry tool, gently unsnap the pry clips. Once the grills are removed, you can use a T25 Torx to remove the 4 screws holding the speaker in place. Note, you will need to retain the hardware as it will be used to resecure your speakers in place. Finally, you can disconnect the harness, noting the positive and negative terminals. Once you're done, repeat the process on the other side. Alright, let's take a look at the differences between our stages. The installation process is identical regardless if you're installing Stage 1 or Stage 2 speakers. Refer to the product iSheet for proper speaker and grill orientation. Now we're ready to install our new Stage 1 or Stage 2 speakers. Start by checking the speaker orientation by referencing your product iSheet. Next, make your wiring connections on the back of the speaker, noting the positive and negative terminals. Then, insert, align, and secure the speaker in place using the same hardware that you removed earlier. Make sure to alternate your screws when tightening to ensure proper fitment. Once that's done, you can install the new speaker grill and repeat the process on the other side. Now we're ready to realign the handlebars and tighten the clamp. Reference your service and repair manual for proper torque settings. Now we're ready to reinstall our main fuse, service cover, and saddlebag. To prevent any possible damage, make sure that your motorcycle is in the off position before proceeding. Now we're ready to configure the amplifier to recognize your speakers through the IFCU or infotainment control unit. With your motorcycle in accessory mode, press the gear icon, then select Sound Settings. Scroll down to Speaker Setup. Once the dialog appears, click Yes to continue. Press Speaker Configuration, then select the appropriate stage where each speaker is located. Be sure to only select the speaker stage that you've installed, as using a different stage may cause speaker damage. Once you're done, press Start Test. When you're ready to begin, press OK. The IFCU will walk you through selecting the appropriate speaker that's generating audible pink noise. To complete this setup, press Stop Noise and turn the power off for 60 seconds. Then turn it back on. Once rebooted, you can confirm the configuration by pressing Speaker Status. You can also confirm using the balance, fader, and volume controls. As you can see, that install was very straightforward. If you have questions or prefer a professional do the installation, please don't hesitate to contact your local Harley-Davidson dealership. Until next time, I'm Eric, and we'll see you again soon.